right, so next thing you want to talk about is check engine lights. Check engine lights could be something very minor, or it could be something that gonna need a lot of work and can cost you a lot of money, and you really need to get addressed. So anytime you see a check engine light, along with any kind of other warning or service lights come across your vehicle's cluster, don't ignore it, don't prolong it. It could, with a check engine light, it could be something as simple as you're driving around with a loose gas cap on your car, or it could mean something that, internally is actually wrong with your vehicle. But either way, it's not something to mess around with. You don't want to prolong it, because even if it is something simple or minor at the beginning, if you just keep pushing it off, keep forgetting about it, that minor, simple, cheap repair could eventually and very easily and quickly move into something much more serious and much more intrusive repair.